Hey guys, Larry here, Mitchell's RCs. Coming back at you. The first run of the Tekno EB48. Got a pretty good day out, guys. A little windy, but the sun's out, so it's not too bad. Here she is. She's on 4S. Let's give her a little run, see what she does. Woo! I love it. Oh, something's going on, guys. Doesn't want to turn this way. Oh, did I break something already? Oh, I had a stick in it. There we go. She's all right. Oh, come on, baby. There we go. Oh, do I have a tire off? Nope, we're good. My back tire, I thought I had that tire off. Oh, something happened, guys. We lost signal. That's not good. I got a bad receiver. What happened here? Oh, I don't know what happened. She just went dead. There we go. That's weird. I don't get that, guys. We just lost signal. Alright, something's going on here. Wow. I think I might have gotten a bad receiver here, guys. I don't know. Something's wrong here. Controlling now. Yeah, I don't have any range with this. Oh, this thing handles like a dream. I don't have any control, guys. It's cutting in and out on me. I think I got a bad receiver. Yeah, and I lost range again, guys. There she goes. Ha! Yeah, I think I got a bad receiver, guys. That sucks. It looks like I can only get about 50 feet away, maybe, if that. And I lose signal. I'm gonna have to swap that out when I get home. I can't have that. That's gonna drive me nuts. So that's a bummer. Oh, this thing is awesome. Look, it handles like a dream. This does not have AVC either, guys. I'm doing that all myself. Shows how good this thing handles. And out of range. That is crazy. There it goes. Oh, that was a big rock. Hopefully you guys can see this. I'm filming with it on the remote today instead of on my head, trying to get you guys down a little closer to it. Beautiful day out. There's the geese. I don't know if you guys see them all. They'll be having their babies out here soon. That'll be cool. Then we won't be over here too much. There'll be too many geese running around here, pooping everywhere. Whoa, I hit some rocks there. I also have road tires for this too, guys. We're gonna test her out on the street too, but I gotta get this receiver straightened out. I can't have that cutting out in 50 feet. Oh, that was close. Oh, right into a rock. Flipped over. Just all that stuff from plowing this winter got all over the grass. There's some pretty big rocks here too. Oh, let's send her off the jump, guys. Beautiful. Oh, the rock. Oh, that was a pretty good sized one too. Wow, it's a boulder. Ah, sink flies. Ooh, a little hard landing, but that's okay. The front sprung up heavier than the rear. Just for that reason. Oh, she is a buggy. Nice. Hope I get that on tape. That was a pretty good little jump. Oh, we're stuck. Come on, baby, you got this. Oh, I'm loving this buggy, guys. Loving it. And so far, it hasn't fallen apart, and I built it. Nice. This thing is crazy, guys. Wow, it is nuts. locked up. Something happened just then. Oh, I got a stick wedged in the wheel, guys. I don't know if you see that. There's a big chunk of wood stuck in there. I gotta sit you down just for a second and get that out. If I can. Wow, yeah, that's wedged. There we go. Woo! Wow, guys, that was nuts. Where'd that piece fall? I don't see it now. I slapped it kind of when I knocked it out. Must have been flying. It's a pretty good chunk of wood. Wow. Yeah, you're okay, sweetheart. Yeah, right there, guys. See, I lost the signal. Way too far away. Yeah, that sucks. No big deal. The receivers are only like $10, $11 for this remote. I'll just order another one. I think I have one more receiver at home for a Dumbo receiver. The only thing is it's set up for it's a receiver light combo thing, and I don't really want to put a bunch of lights on this. Like, I don't know. I'll figure something out, but I can't have this not going that far. That sucks. Yeah, that was too far. That's crazy. So for now, I'm just gonna have to play with it up close. Back wheel locked up again. There we go. Wow, those wheels, guys. These Apex wheels that I'm running, rims, for some reason, they like to get stuff caught in them. And when they do, it locks up in the knuckle area there. Locks up on that knuckle right inside there, if you guys can see that. And yeah, that's kind of a pain in the butt. Might have to look into getting some dish wheels for these or something. Oh, I love it. Peace. Turn, don't go too far. Oh, right, that sand mound. Oh, it jumps nice and level. I hope you guys have seen some of this. I haven't filmed off the remote for a while, so. Oh, we're stuck. Where are we? Oh, we got it. Got a rock stuck in the wheel again, guys. There it goes. Back it out of there. Come on. Still stuck in there. See how that back wheel blocked it up? Let's look. Yep. Got a little pebble caught right there in the bottom. Right there. So these Apex wheels are going to be a pain in the butt, I can tell. There we go. That's going to be a pain if I got to worry about that all the time. Like I said, I might have to get some dish wheels. Whoa. All right into the tree. We made it, guys, but we didn't land it. Crap, I can't take it far away. We can't really do any rips with it too far. Whoa, where you going? Can't tell which way it's headed. There we go. Oh, I love how that front end drops when I hit the brakes. Not those rocks. Remember those rocks, guys? Got a leaf stuck on her. There we go. Oh. Alright guys, that's going to be it. The battery's starting to get really low. It's losing power, and I don't want to carry this thing home because she's pretty heavy, guys. So this is Larry at Mitchell's RCs, and thanks a lot for showing up, guys. And stay tuned, we'll have a lot more. Later.